Whitney's system of reservation is well accepted worldwide because of its simplicity. It had been developed by a company called Whitney Duplicating and Check Company of New York, and the system has been named after the company. The system can be used by hotels of any size. Various tools required in this system are Room Status Board. When a reservation request is received, first, the RSP is referred, which tells about the room availability position against the requested month. Density Control Chart. By referring to DCC, the room status can be known against the requested period of a particular month. Room Reservation Form. This tool is used to record all necessary and relevant information regarding the prospective guest by the reservation assistant. Whitney Slip. It is used to record some of the vital information which is taken from RR form. The Whitney Slip is 3 inches by 1.5 inches in size. Name of the guest, arrival date and time, departure date, room rate and plan, billing instructions, booked by and signature of the reservation assistant are the information that is mentioned on the Whitney Slip. Whitney Carrier. It is used to hold the Whitney slips in the Whitney rack and is made of metal.
Tools required for Whitney system of reservation. Room Status Board. When a reservation request is received, first, the RSP is referred, which tells about the room availability position against the requested month. Density Control Chart. By referring to DCC, the room status can be known against the requested period of a particular month. Room Reservation Form. This tool is used to record all necessary and relevant pieces of information regarding the prospective guest by the reservation assistant. Whitney Slip. It is used to record some of the vital pieces of information which are taken from RR form. Name of the guest, arrival date and time, departure date, room rate and plan, billing instructions, booked by and signature of the reservation assistant are the pieces of information which are mentioned on the Whitney Slip. Whitney Carrier. It is used to hold the Whitney slips in a Whitney rack and is made of metal. Whitney Rack. It is used to store the Whitney slips after placing them on Whitney Carrier. It is usually made of wood, having channels for easy movements of Whitney carriers. Rotary Rack. It is used to store the RR forms on a temporary basis. Movement List or Expected Arrival List. This is a tool by which the reservation section intimates the front desk and other departments about the arrivals of the following day. A certain reservation procedure is followed in Whitney reservation system. Once the reservation request is received, the room status board and density control chart are referred to. The density control chart and subsequently the room status board are updated. The room reservation form is then filled with information given by the guest and kept in the right slot of the rotary rack as per the arrival date. The room reservation forms are taken out from the rotary rack during the recess hours. The Whitney slips are prepared in duplicate with the information provided. The original Whitney slip is placed on the Whitney Carrier. At the day end, the room reservation forms are taken out before closing the reservation section. The Whitney rack of the following month is taken out. The Whitney slips are arranged in the Whitney racks.
Whitney Color Code. Witness slips of different colors are used to denote the status of the guest. This helps the reservation section to find out various guests of any status at a glance. For example, white, FIT, yellow, group, blue, VIP, pink, CIP. The system of reservation is used worldwide due to its many advantages, like reservation can be taken far in advance. Reservation can be maintained in an alphabetical order. Guest statuses can be known at a glance. It is scientific as an option for double checking is there. It can be handled very easily. Maintenance is very easy. Cancellation and amendment is very easy. The system can be used in hotels of any size.